for performance. I know I say this all the time. You can't go wrong with that. Hey! What's up, man?
Dude, this is Jim Price that I've been telling you about, my neighbor.
Doing, what's up, bro? I'm sorry you're friends with this guy. I'm sorry.
This is Kurt.
Me too sometimes, Kurt.
This is the guy that comes into my shop when we're beating the shit out of people.
Yeah, he calls me up.
I heard about that.
Okay, yeah, that's crazy.
We'll catch up with you in a minute.
All right, I'll see you a little bit.
All right, buddy.
Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Hello! Alright, we have our first winner on the 40 board. Green tickets. Pull your green tickets out worth $200. And the winning number is 25. 25. Come up and get your $200.
Who? Gilbert, the black car talk to. It's his friend.
You ever seen that? No. You walk around with things that you can
Got the purple boys out today.
Do we have a winner?
The orange one.
He's running.
drop this guy something.
Say what?
He's running.
Hello, sir. Yes. She's here?
Alright.
Tell her you.
We will be having more and more of these all day.
Collected from donations from Mooseheart, pays for the kids' schooling, food, room and board.
I like this color.
bus? Thank you. Good, that's good. There you go. What?
Oop, don't see the back of that. Ain't nothing going on back there. It's all business in this room.
Yeah. Look at what you just did.
There we go. Look at Pro Chargers. I'm sorry. Man.
Go ahead, man.
Look at this. Nice.
Man, Argentina, messy, man. I saw you in that thing.
Goodness, look at this one. I believe this will blow the doors off of my car now. Look at that turbo in there. Man, that's a massive turbo. Look at that thing. Oh, I'm sure this thing moves. It's gutted. This ain't no car. This is a race car. You guys want to follow him? There he is.
Noah, come here, let me show you ours. I found an ice box. Come here. Come here. Dad, come here. He has one of those ice boxes that you put ice in.
Okay.
I wanted to
Wait,
show
I'm
you.
trying to get these cars. We keep walking right in front of it.
Improperly for the,
Yeah, I remember that. So clean. Look at the wheels on this bad boy. That's what I need to do. I need to get some real tires on my car so we can move faster. Right here. Orange and blue stains. There she is. That's her. This is nice. She did a good job. Roush. It's nice. Nice and clean.